Alright, in this video we're going to be going over the top 10 installation challenges for the Access Communications Network exam. So, number one is cabling infrastructure. Use good cable runs. Keep pairs together, wire correctly. Environmental conditions. Certify the installation. Voltage transients. Local power grid may interrupt this. Ensure the power supplied equipment is properly grounded, like the switch is grounded. Power over Ethernet. So there's this chart with class 0 through 4 for PoE. Class 0 is 15.4 watts required at the default. Maximum power level at the power device for the default of 15.4 from the switch would be 0 to 0.44 to 13 watts for the power device. High PoE allows for operating at lower temperatures when high PoE is used. So environmental worries. So encasing outdoor cables. Camera selecting the right camera. So first you want to define the surveillance goal when picking a camera, but consider all these other things too. Determine coverage area. There's 3 different fields of view: normal view, telephoto, wide angle. Advanced image features, so there's day and night functionality. There's so it can use IR. Near infrared is beyond what the human eye can see. When there's plenty of light, a day-night camera uses an IR cut to block the IR light so it doesn't use the IR during the day. During night mode, the IR cut filter is removed. There's wide dynamic range. This is good for when you have a very light area and a very dark area in the same shot. Light Finder is a technology from Access where it can really light up dark rooms. Camera placement. Understanding the field of view, using the online lens calculator is the fastest way to find the focal length, the lens required for the desired field of view. Lighting considerations: avoid backlight, direction of the sun, camera angles, camera to object angle. Important to document everything during the installation. And user training. So in conclusion, poor network cabling, voltage, protect against voltage transients and interference. PoE simplifies the installation, lowers costs. Option to backup power via UPS. Select the correct environmental protection for like the cabling, all the installation. Determine the required scene coverage and camera accordingly. day-night cameras can use the IR function. Light finder technology, giving even more light in low light conditions. Wide dynamic range WDR with high contrast images. Camera positioning is key. End user training and documentation is also key. That's it for top 10 installation challenges.